is the Coleman CT200U-EX mini bike. It's a camo bike and painted it black. And the 196cc engine. You got the Ghost 212 Kart engine from Harbour Freight with the Kart kit. Added torque converter so you can use the riser plate. That's the tank from the 196cc, so I added my own little custom brackets, the little breather tube for the valves, and I got the little zip ties that keeps it from rattling everywhere. Cut the rear fender, had a little aluminum siding. Added a vent in the cap on the tank and added extra gasket so there's a leak of fuel. Springer seat, see there's a spacer. So it rises a little higher, and I also raised the tank too, so it makes it easy for me to fuel it. Did a lightweight corrugated little plastic for the front fender, lightweight. Did a thumb throttle, just a Go Power Sports hydraulic front disc brake assembly. Got some more stick-on weights to actually balance the tire out because it's doing about 54 miles an hour. So they're the Sun F dirt truck tires, N-rated.